Alright, and today we are going to get a little computer upgrade here. As you may have seen in the intro text, there was a mysterious package today. And just came minutes before. This thing, and it's huge. It's like, ooh, half a meter. And it weighs a ton! So, I'm gonna cut right to the point, and when I have opened my package... Okay, that's gonna be crazy things here. It's gonna be like tacky. Just hope it doesn't cut into what I ordered here. Oh, I'm so excited! Okay, now I'm going to open this thing. If I can get it open like this. There. Great. Woohoo! Oh, I am so psyched. Alright. So let me just... Alright, I may seem a little brutal here, but it's some good old violence. It's never hurt anybody. It's like we used to say in school, a little war has never killed anyone. Alright, so let me get this thing out. Okay, you may see what it is right now. I'm gonna take off this protective plastic. Oh, plastic, I hate plastic. This. If you can see what it is, it's a Corsair K... Yeah, I'll just stop this. Oh wait, I gotta shut this one. Alright, what you may see here is the Corsair K95 gaming mechanical keyboard. Corsair Gaming. So now I'm going to see if I can't get this box opened here. By hook or by crook, this thing is going open. Now I'm a little hurry here because I gotta get to school. This came just before I was going to school, so I gotta make this a quick one. But here's the unboxing, alright? There. Now I've taken it out of the box. I'll throw that thing away. Now we open it. And there we are. Guys, this is a big day for my computer kind. Just kidding. Let's see what we have in the box after we've taken out all the crap. We have the keyboard itself, which we can see here, and it's quite huge, and it weighs, I think. And then we have, after a little more cardboard unboxing, we have some warranty, or whatever you call warranty and instruction books and yada yada. And then we have of course, the famous, for some maybe infamous, the wrist rest. I'm gonna put this line on so we can have some amber lighting here. Okay, now this feels very good. It feels very soft but still rigid, and I mean it doesn't warp so easily. And that's what we get in the box. So let's throw that thing out. Now, the keyboard itself. Well, let me see if I can get this open. I don't want to damage my new beautiful 2000 krona keyboard here. That will be a complete disaster. Okay, but no. I have never used a mechanical keyboard, so buying a keyboard for 2000 Swedish krona, which I have no idea what that is in other currencies, may seem a little crazy, even though that's what I am. But I have done some research, and I have my brother. He's really cool. He knows what he doesn't know about computers that aren't worth knowing. And now let's go over to see what we have on this beautiful masterpiece. Okay, I just have to use the camera here. Turn that there. Alright, so here is the keyboard, and I couldn't have ordered a better one. You can see here you have the Corsair Gaming logo. I don't know if you can see it so well, it has a little trouble focusing. And here we have the MR buttons, which are for the lighting setups. Then we have the light switch here, and the Windows lock key, which I love, which I think is really cool. because then you won't have to be annoyed if you're gaming or if you're doing something, you touch the Windows key and it all just stops working and the other, you know the stories. Here we have the multimedia keys, the stop, previous, start, pause, and the next. And you have a Windows sound mute key and the Windows volume scroll, which I think is so cool, so amazing, this keyboard. And now for a quick sound test. And doesn't that sound cool? If that's not a cool sound, then nothing is. And here's one key. And here's the whole. Yeah. And you see, we got two USB ports here. We got this one, you can see the arrows. And then we got blah blah blah. We have this, with the keyboard. And now I'm gonna put my camera here. And I'm gonna take it down so you can see the keyboard. And now I'm gonna unravel this stuff. Give me just a second here. How have they wrapped this up? They done it that way. Alright, now I'm gonna make an experiment here. I'm gonna, because I'm going to a school, I have a little project like at school, you might say, later in the week, tomorrow actually. I'm not gonna plug this in for real, I'm just gonna have it, yeah, a little plug-in. Now, if I'm not all mistaken, it should like there. And now it all lights up. I'm gonna turn this off so you can really see it. And now this is so amazingly awesome here. And I'm gonna see the M2. What have I got for I have no idea how I should operate this thing. This isn't so big as my dad said it would be. There, now I got the M3, which is a blue and white. The M2, which is blue and red, and I have no idea why the heck they just put some of the buttons up there. And now, what I would like to see is the... Okay, how do you get into the demo mode? Alright, this is so amazingly awesome, guys. This is so amazing awesome. I just want to get into the demo mode. How the heck do you do that? I want to get into the demo with the rainbow and blah blah. I'm gonna go down here and plug in the other plugs and there. I'm gonna see what I do now. If I can get into the demo. I think you should just plug. Oops. Alright, we'll wait. I know that you have to wait like 30 seconds before the demo goes online. I'm gonna search for it here. Alright, I really gotta get to school after I've gotten this into the demo mode. I'm so heck. What? Oh. Sorry there, big fella. There. I got that thing in. And how to get a Corsair K95 into demo. No. Rainbow mode. Rainbow theme. Okay. Let me see what I can find here. Blah blah blah. I turned off my computer. Ash. Drafted. Okay, so I can't get it in the rainbow theme, but I'm gonna program it so I have it in the rainbow theme. And I'm gonna do a more, when I get home, I'm gonna do a more review on the keyboard itself and what you can do with it, because I've seen some videos and stuff where I talked about, I've read a lot about this keyboard. But now I gotta get to school, so I'll see, I'm gonna switch over to when I get home. So I'm just gonna leave it here for the moment being, and thank you all guys for watching. a wonderful crowd, and sadly I missed the bus. Alright, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye. So guys, we are back again after a tiring day at school, really. We had a Internet Explorer war, if it was good or bad, because I'm the only one in the class who doesn't use. I use Firefox. No, I use Internet Explorer and not Chrome, like every dude else in school. It was a little war of the worlds. But okay, I didn't come to talk about that. I came to talk about this lovely. Wait, I'll just get you down. I came to talk about this lovely keyboard. I think I do. Oops. Touch this on the Corsair Gaming K95 RGB with Cherry MX blue switches. And this keyboard, RGB lit with the blue switches, is kind of a rare find actually. And in the Nordic layout it was even harder, but I managed to find one, and so now I am super psyched about having it, and let's see what this puppy can go for. But first I'm gonna show you a couple of the settings and things you can do right on the keyboard. I haven't even installed the software yet, so that's why it still might be a little buggy in that, but I'm gonna do it, and maybe a month from now or something I'm gonna do another review on what I thought about this keyboard and blah blah blah, you dig the thing. But okay, the first thing is on the back side of this keyboard. I'm not sure you can see it, but you have these flip up feet, which I love having them flipped up. Someone said to me that there was gonna be extra USB ports on this thing, but they must have been lying to me. It isn't any USB ports on it. Huh. Liar, liar, pants on fire. Okay, and how it sits with them up. I have a trouble. I haven't really installed the keyboard yet. On my computer I still have my old keyboard. You can see the differences between them. I'm gonna give you an aerial view here. I think you can see it there, yes. My old one is a Logitech. My old one is a old Logitech keyboard. There, you can see it. You think, an old classic. And this is the new one. So you see, it's not much bigger. This is the only part that makes it bigger. Otherwise, it's exactly the same size. And some of the lighting settings we're gonna go through. This is M1, and if I go to M2, you see I have this, even though I don't know why they have lit up those keys. And if I go to M3, this is some type of an icy blue. But I'm gonna go back to M1. And then if you push MR until it starts, you see like that now. You could take this one. Alright, this is creepy. Why doesn't it work? Alright, this is... It's probably because I don't have the software installed. This is the lighting, and we're gonna watch these three lights here. Off, first, second, and third. I like the third best because you see the colors more clearly. And then we have the Windows lock key, which locks the Windows key, this key here. You lock it. Now, if you watch my computer screen here, if I can get it to fix it right. And that's Ray meter, how I have Windows scratch there. There, now I don't have it locked, and now I lock it. And nothing. So that's the Windows lock key function. And then we have the mute. You can see it if you watch it. I'm gonna see if I can put my tripod here so I don't have to do this all the time. Alright, now you can see it. Now I mute it, unmute. And then if I scroll this wheel, it should increase or decrease my... Yes, you can see it there, it decreases the volume. So that's kind of cool. And then we have the media keys, which I'm not going to go through right now. I think I have caps lock on. No. And then it must be like scroll lock or something. Scroll lock. No, then it's numlock. Numpad. Yes, there we go. I can't work without a numpad. I literally can't work without the thing. And why is MR flickering? There. And here's the sound test. And so it's really cool. I'm gonna see if I can't get it to type some things. Oh yes, I'm gonna have a blast with this keyboard. Really worth the 2,000 kroner. But yeah, I think that's the Corsair keyboard for now. I'm gonna go through another review and stuff when I have it all set up and things, and it's gonna be really funny. I almost forgot something. Wait, I'm gonna put the tripod back on. The stand here. There. No, there. Okay, I've almost forgot something. This thing. The wrist rest. Almost forgot doing the wrist rest. And this is such a loved piece of mechanical things for this keyboard. Now, how we put this on, I think, is... Right, we have some holders there. Yes, I think it should be there. Alright, now I've never installed one of these before, so this is a first. There, it should, if I'm right, it should just, no. Huh, alright. I must be doing something wrong here. And then it should just click on. Alright. I'm gonna need to make more research on this. This is humiliating. Where should you install this thing? It should have put in before it just clicks into place. There, sounds like it clicked. No, it did not. It did really not do it. Now, don't get violent with these things. That's the golden rule. Don't get violent. Try to calmly figure out what you're doing wrong, and then you do it right. It's as easy as that. Right. There. Now we got it in. It was because of these stupid screws here. I couldn't get the thing fastened correctly. Alright. Now we pull out the screw. It should have got stuck there. That sounded like it did something. Yeah, I think yeah, now I got it fastened correctly. There. Now I even got the wrist rest installed. Ooh, this is really a premium keyboard. This is how it looks with the wrist rest on. It's really good. Instead of needing to do this, have your hands up this all the time, it's really nice just to be able to put them there and be able to type much faster. Right, so this is the JW4 React, get a computer upgrade, the keyboard, a new keyboard, Corsair Gaming. And now hopefully I'm not gonna need to change this thing out to something else in the future unless something goes terribly wrong. I might need to change it, but as of now, I'm really enjoying it, and I must thank you for watching. And now I gotta log out to get all these things set up correctly and install the profiles and yada yada yada. You dig it. And thank you for watching. This is JW4 Reacts logging out as I always do, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.